kept you waiting, huh?
Hello everyone! We're happy to announce that the Amplify Animation Pack is now available for Unity. Our team has been working hard on porting this package from Unreal, and we're finally ready to share it with you. It includes over 600 animation sequences ranging from basic locomotion like walking and running, to combat and varied interactions. This is primarily an animation library, but we also include a starter controller and a demo scene to get you rolling quicker. Be sure to download the demo and check the full animation list in the video description below. The package includes all the animations available in the Unreal version, along with full Blender source files so you can change anything you might need. The included third-person character controller is still in development. You'll find quite a few animation sequences in the pack currently not used by it. If you're using your own character controller, you can easily retarget the included animations and use them as you see fit. You can also replace the default character in our controller. To do so, first make sure your rig is set to humanoid. Unpack our character controller prefab. Place your model under the game object Mesh. And make sure the position and rotation is set to 0 and that scale is set to 1. If present, also remove the animated component in your model. Next, remove or disable our default character SK Amplify character. Finally, select the game object Mesh and replace the avatar with your own. You should immediately be able to use it if you go into play. Some adjustments are required, so please check the official wiki linked in the video description for details. Stay tuned for future updates. We'll see you on Discord.